Welcome to this very channel. My name is Malaki Obi, and if you are new to this channel, here is where we discuss about forex and crypto market. We teach all about forex market and crypto market. If you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and turn on the bell button notification for more updates and in case of a new video. Today, the last time we discussed about our previous video, we discussed about engulfing candle, one of the best candlestick formation that can give you the upper hand in forex market. Today I'm going to teach you on how you can use this engulfing candle or engulfing pattern of formation to take advantage of the market, and how you can combine it with other strategy for you to be able to be sure and make use of it to trade your market. What strategy I want to combine it? There is many strategies you can combine it with, but today I'm going to teach you one of them, which is combining it with resistance and support zone. Resistance and support zone. Demand is can equally called as demand and supply. Demand and supply. How can you take advantage of it? Here is one of them. Here is one of them. We are on the chart already. Here is one of them. When you look at this very chart here, okay, let me start from here. Yeah, okay. When you look at this very one here, you will see that we have a support zone here, and if you look very clear, after the formation of the first one, the second one here come to that very support zone, and you can equally see that quartz formation that it formed there is an engulfing candle, and the market revise automatically and start going up. You can see the market make a whole lot of move there. You can see it there. So after the formation of this support zone, or you can equally call it a double bottom here. Double bottom. After the formation of this double bottom here, the market starts moving higher. You can see it here. Let me feel it so that we'll be able to see it. Okay. Sorry for my let me fill it with at least a clear color. Okay, you can see it here. This is a support level here, which you can clearly see it here. You can equally call it as a double bottom. After the formation of the first one here, the second one here, you can see the market formed an engulfing candle, and this made the market to move a whole lot. You can see where the market moved a whole lot. So after the formation of this double bottom, so you can see the power of engulfing candle. So how do you make use of this very thing, engulfing candle, in this pattern? Now when you come across this thing, and you see that it have formed double bottom, or it have formed a kind of a support at support level, then you watch out for a out for an engulfing candle. When the engulfing candle form, you will know that the market is about to reverse, and you take advantage of the market. You can see a whole lot of move there. You can see it there. So let's go there. Let's go there. Okay, see another one here. See another one here. Let me autofill it so I will be able to see it here. It's too dark. Let me change the color to this so that it can be visible. Okay, you can see it. You can call this double top. You can call it double top. You can equally call it a resistance zone or a resistance level. Here, when you are in a market like this and you see this kind of a thing, and immediately after this move, then as the market is testing the resistance level, what you are watching at is the formation of the candle that is about to form. When it formed a kind of engulfing pattern of candle, then you take up the market. You can see how the market moved. You can see how the market moved. You can see how the market moved. A whole lot of move. A whole lot of move. You understand? So this is how you can take advantage of it. You can use double. You can use engulfing candle to trade double top or resistance or resistance zone, or equally you can use it to trade double bottom or support level or support zone. You can see it here, and this is something that is clear. So there is one of the strategy I want to also let you know, which formed very earlier. Okay, it formed very earlier. This formed very earlier. Okay, when you watch out for this very zone now, this very level, you can see that after the formation of double bottom, the market moved a little. You understand? After the engulfing candle here, the market moved a little and immediately reversed. And at the break of this very resistance level, something happened. The market come all the way from down to come and retest that support level, with an engulfing candle. Then if you open your eyes for this market, you will see that it is time to take advantage of it. And I can tell you, this is one of the parts that I take the advantage of it few days back, and it gave me a lot of profit. You can see it there. But this is just for today. Yes, so that's how I have been navigating the forex market. If you are new to this very channel, I want you to subscribe and turn on the bell notification for further video. Thank you. I hope you understand it, and if you don't get it right, you can ask me a question on the comment section. Thank you.